Hey, Oswald. You want to turn?
May I?
Knock yourself out, kid.
Thank you, Mr. Gilsey.
It was really simple. I auditioned like all actors do. Like we all go out, you know, like cattle for the for pilot season, you know, and you get all these different kinds of things. And I was given a fake scene with the Untitled Warner Brothers project or something, I think is what it was called. And, you know, I approached it like I do everything else. You know, I was just like, all right, well, let's do this. And then, of course, right before I went into audition, I got the tip-off. I was like, someone told me this is Oswald Cobblepot, the Penguin. This is the origin of Batman. And I was like, okay. But then after that, you know, you audition for big things and small things, and I've learned over the years, like, I just have to approach it all with the same energy or with the same amount. It can't change the performance, you know what I mean? Like, it's all the same. My sister is an opera singer, so there's that. My parents are both actuaries, so there's not that. but it's interesting. It seems to skip a generation. My other sister is a novelist. My grandfather was a sculptor, and my great aunt was an organist. So there's been a lot of music and art in my family, but in terms of acting, like not really that much. Yeah.